Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube app in laptop or PC. So open your Chrome browser, go to search option, search it to youtube.com, press enter. Okay, look at the right corner, tap on three dot, but not showing here to download app option because recently update Chrome their system, not showing here to exactly YouTube apps install option. So don't upset, click on to create shortcut and just rename. Press on to create. Okay, close and look here, now successfully install these apps. Now open, then you go to your YouTube. So that's it.